Assalamualaikum. Hello viewers, many greeting and congratulations for coming to Sonia Craft Gallery. Today I am here with another new video. I hope you will like the video very much. Any color paper should be cut. Now the paper should be faired like this. At this point, the paper should be cut into the shape of a flower. I made another flower of camera. Flower should be made by applying glue. Now make a stick. This time I attached the flower with glue. So see how beautiful a flower is made. I will attach the leaf. Many thanks Sonia Craft Gallery for watching the video till the end. Like, share and comment to get new videos and subscribe to the channel and hit bell icon.